everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make this super easy, easy ornaments for your Christmas tree. But before I forget, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you are new to this track, click the notification bell to get updated on all my videos. And before I start, let's know the materials we need to use to make this project. First, we need two colors of yarn, size 4, medium, red and green. Two hook sizes, 1.6 and 5 mm in pieces. Then, the scissor, two pieces of beads, a bell, and of course the yarn needle. And this is what we are making for today's project. It looks so pretty and beautiful. But before I forget, we also need the ring size 5.5 centimeter. And if you are ready, let's get started. First, we need our hook size 5 mm the ring in the green yarn. Then make a slip knot and start making a single crochet around the ring 32 times. Now let's begin. Make a chain right here and start making a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is how it looks like. 5, oops, this is the 5th single crochet. 6, and then we're gonna keep going making single crochet around this ring. Now I'm almost done with our single crochet, so I need to complete the 32 single crochet right here. Then you can pull backward to fit the single crochet that we needed around this ring. Once we are done, then make a slip stitch on the first single crochet for hanging purposes. So make a chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Then go back to the first chain and slip stitch and secure the yarn at the back. From the second row, we need a new thread color, and that is red. Then we're gonna start on the first chain. Then pull your yarn from behind towards the chain. 1, and return to the same stitch, and then yarn over the yarn again. This time, we are not making a single crochet. Instead, we need to twist the yarn from front counterclockwise, go into the back, and make a chain of 1. Then insert your hook on the stitch, grab the yarn, twist it, and chain 1. Again, grab the yarn, twist it counterclockwise, and chain 1. Grab the yarn, twist it, and chain 1. And this is what we need to do in every stitch around to complete the process of the second row. And this is how it looks when you keep going to make the edges of the project. So pause the video and continue your work, and I will wait for you at the last stitch of this row. So again, grab the yarn, twist it, make a chain of 1, grab your yarn, twist it, chain 1, and continue until you finish this process. And now I'm on the last stitch. After this stitch, make a chain of 1, cut the excess yarn, and then secure it from the back. Once you are done, set aside, and now grab the green color of yarn, cut around 6 to 8 inches, then sew it from the 2 pieces of beads. Then sew it below the hanging portion of our base. Once you are done here, then secure it at the back. Don't cut the yarn and grab your bell and put the thread on the front. Now, grab your hook size 1.6 millimeter to grab the yarn in your belt. After that, secure it to the back. Then cut the excess yarn and your project is done. Hope you guys love this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave your comment below, and share it to your friends. Have a good day, everyone.